back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money with short videos, how you can get paying clients to pay you to create videos that are 10 seconds long up to 60 seconds long or longer, but generally between 10 seconds to a minute long. And they'll pay anywhere from $20 up to $100 for these videos. And if you are new to the channel, please go check out the channel, check out some of the other videos, and hit that like and subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any further videos on this channel. I create videos teaching you how to make money online from several different methods, from affiliate marketing to teaching classes on Udemy to selling services on Fiverr and doing creating low and no content books and several other methods. So let's jump in. So I'm on the Fiverr platform here, and if you don't know of Fiverr.com, it's probably considered the world's largest freelancing website. Has it's overtaken several other websites like Upwork and People Per Hour and freelancer.com. This is the place to go if you want to sell services and make some extra side income monthly. And so if you go to Fiverr and you come down here, we're going to go, and here's all the major categories, and inside of each major category, you're going to see that there's several other subcategories or sub niches inside. So today we're going to be talking about video. So you can go to the video, and there's a lot of different ones here to, you know what, this is actually one I'm going to be checking out, is article to video, because I have some softwares that can easily create these articles into videos. And I can also offer a service that I can do the voiceover for them and match it and sync it and create a really nice live action video along with text and audio, my voice. And people will pay money for this to put it on, to build their, for business owners that have websites and they're creating content for those websites. They also want to build, they kind of don't know what to do with a YouTube channel. And this is a great way for them to build YouTube channels around their business. And so that's why this Fiverr has decided that this is a big enough niche to have a sub niche and actually call it an article to video. I'm very surprised with that. So if you go to video and animation, what I'm talking about in today's video is short video ads. So we'll click on short video ads, and you're going to see that there's less than 1,000. It's less than 1,000 services, which I would say anything under 2,000 is pretty low competition on Fiverr, considering the fact that, on the voiceover, you're looking upwards to 20,000 competitors you're competing against. In this case, it's under 1,000, so it's very low competition. And so you're going to come in here and just take a look around, right? And I like to, before I create a gig, I like to go and search what other people are creating in my category that I'm fixing to create a gig on. See what they're doing, see kind of what their pricing is, see what their titles are, and just seeing if they're getting any sales. And I know all these, I know the software. Everyone's using the same types of softwares. This is a stock image and stock photo or stock video footage that this person's making. So I'll click in there and see if they have any active orders. They've got 3 orders starting at $15, going to $35, and then $60. And they're just using a software that I have access to, and a lot of people you can get access to. And so what I like to do is just kind of like search through here and just see what is selling. So if we come here, that's 22. So this one right here, professional Shopify video, let's see what they have. They have 12 orders in their queue starting at $10. And we just keep kind of looking through here. Engaging video commercial for your business right here. And they have 13 orders in their queue. They start at 30 seconds, right? And so you have all these different 13 orders in the queue, and they'll just create a simple video for you. So I like to come in and check out what they're creating for people and just take a look. So this is a minute long. And you can see they're using different softwares, putting different softwares together. I'm going to show you where you can get some software that does some really cool animations like this. And you can see there's some very simple stuff. Okay, so there was one that I was looking at a minute ago before I started recording the video, and they were ranked in the top 4 or 8, but for some reason this time logging in, they are they're down here a little bit further. And so look at how far I'm going down the page: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 21, 22. So ranked number 22, about halfway through the first page. You can see this one starting at $30, 4.9 stars, 749 reviews. And you can check out what they do, right? And they have a basic package, a standard package, and a premium. And look, it goes from $30 to $80 and to $110. But notice this one is only 60-second runtime, and at 60-second runtime, depending on, it doesn't matter what package you get, you're going to get 60-second runtime or less. But she adds more things as you get a higher package, like voiceover and things like that. So this one, she's not even including a voiceover and no script writing or anything, just a very basic package. And I like to come in over here and see what they're creating.
COVID-19 has changed life as we know it. People
so
are keen to prevent
it's just
the spread of
live
this virus,
video behind, right? And some text. It's a here and there. So very easy to create this stuff. And click over here and just look. This one has a voiceover and a little bit of background stuff going on. Something going on with the text. Pretty easy to create, and then some live action in the back, right? So pretty easy stuff going on here. And all the videos are about a minute long. And notice there's 11 orders in the queue. 11 orders. Okay. So what is that? Let's pull up our calculator just real quick. So 11 times 30. So this person has $330 in their bucket, and they deliver in 24 hours. Or they deliver in 2 days. Sorry about that. So they deliver in 2 days, and they have 11 videos to create in those 2 days. And imagine some of those are the higher packages. And so, you know, they probably have about $500 in their basket right now. And they're far down on the page, right? You can keep going and seeing some of these, to see what they have. I just like to see if there's orders in the queue on the very first page. I know I can rank on the first page. Okay. So you can see that anybody can do this. You can do this. If you want to start making some extra money, this is a great way to sell services, and it works. I just got an order yesterday for $50 for one order on Fiverr. So how do you create these videos? Well, you can come in here to an app called Videos, and this Videos provides a lot of really cool, different video templates. It's kind of like Render Forest, but you only pay one time. With this software, you only have to pay it one time. I believe it's like $67, and you have it for life. And then you can provide these services and start picking out some of the really cool video templates that you like and put them up as gigs on Fiverr and start selling them, and people will buy them. The video up here that I just got done, the video intro in this video was created in Videos. Just wanted to show you an example. So if you want to, when you're done watching the video, if you want to watch that intro again, it's just one intro that you can get in Videos. So the way it works is you sign up, you sell. I have a basic account. You can upgrade to and get 1,200 more premium templates. I believe that's like $100. One-time fee. But right now I just have the intro version, and it's still plenty to keep you busy and selling. And so you can search by keyword. You can see some stuff I put in there. And you can go by filter by the type or how long they are, and then go into category. So if you go into category and then you go into like extended, that means that these are longer videos, longer type videos, and then you can kind of sample over what they look like. Here is an IT hosting and development. And you can see it's some simple slides, and you can easily come in here and you can build one for restaurants right here, one for hotels, And so these are, these restaurants, they need a service to offer, or they need a video created so they can post this on Facebook, so they can post this on their different social media platforms. And look how professionally done this is. And so you just come in here, right? You could keep the imagery that they have, or you can change the images. It'll tell you there's 7 different images you can change on this. There's text. There's 15 different text spots. There's audio. You can select it on or off, and then you can choose different colors. You can even change the colors and all that. So all you would do is, and it's got a 5-star rating. So just a really cool software I recommend picking up for a one-time fee. And if you're interested in the software, go ahead and click the link in the description, and it'll take you right to the software where you can make a purchase, a one-time purchase, and you can start using these. I use this for some of my YouTube videos on my channels. So you can use it for personal use in your own business. And then you can also sell these videos to clients to make money. So here you would just fill in all the images, boom. And then you would go to your texts and you would change all your texts. Whoops, I got to change all the images out. And then you would just put your text and your colors and you push create. It takes about this video would probably take about 5 minutes to render. And then you could charge $30 for this, and you could create this in about 10 minutes. So really, really cool opportunity. But so one thing that you will need to do though, is if you have that video and then you also want to add a feature, well, I'll do a logo intro for you. And I'll also do the ad for you. So, right, you have all these different things, right? You can go into intro, or you can go to logo reveals. There's 50 logo reveals in here, and logo reveals are popular on Fiverr as well. So you go to logo reveal, and let's just say I like this one, this first one. That's pretty cool. So you would actually create this video as well. And it's probably about 10 seconds long. So this one's 7 seconds long. Okay. We'd come in here and we would create our video, but now you have 2 videos and you need to put them together. What are you going to do? Well, you could use Camtasia. That's $250. But a lot of people don't have $250 to spend on Camtasia, which is my favorite video editor. But there's a lot of good video editors out there. Camtasia is popular because it's also a screen recording software as well. There's all kinds of different things you can use, but I use WeVideo and Camtasia. And then another software that I use as well that's lightweight and it's free is this one, OpenShot Video Editor. So it's an open source video editor, right? It's free. And you can see, so you're just going to go here. It's free for everybody. It's amazing. I'm going to go into screenshots and just show you a little bit. So the main interface, you can see, if you've ever seen Camtasia, this is just very close to it. It is beautifully looking. Their interface is very, very nice looking, and you can do all kinds of detailed edits. You can cut, trim, adjust sound. You can do anything that you would do with, Adobe After Effects or all these other really expensive softwares. And you can do all this stuff in this free software. So that you would just upload your 2 videos here. You would drag them both down here and put them together. And then you would push export. You would have your video, and then you would just come back over to Fiverr and deliver the project to the client. And then make your, $30 to $100 on that video. So, hope you guys found value in this video. This is a real method of making money online, and I do it every day, and you can too. So, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel and turning on bell notifications. Once again, if you want to pick up videos, it's a one-time fee for about $67. You can find that link below as well. Until next time, see ya.